Now, I've been camping on Dartmoor for well over 4 years, probably done more than 100 camps on it. And you get used to a lot of weird noises, as you do when you camp regularly. And there's lots of weird birds that make odd sounds. You can hear cows in the distance mooing and making some really weird noises. Even the sound of a car driving across the cattle grids in the distance. So they have cattle grids going into Dartmoor to stop the ponies getting out. And the rumble of the tyres going across that can sound like the roar from a large creature. So there's lots of weird sounds, but you get used to them. Now, I went on a camp a couple of weeks back, and I decided not to film it. I just thought, I'll enjoy it. I've got no real reason to film the camp, so I just enjoyed the camp, and that was it. But in the middle of the night, I could hear this noise once the wind started to die down. And it's a noise I've never ever heard on Dartmoor before. To me, it sounded a bit like rutting stags. I know you can get red deer on Dartmoor, but I've never seen a deer anywhere. But there were some really, really weird vocalizations within this noise. I have listened to this back on several different devices, and I've found so far that my phone picks it up the best. What I've done is I've raised the sound level to maximum, so it is quite noisy, but if you crank the volume up, on the phone it works really, really well. Might work well on your headphones or on the TV. But have a listen and tell me what your thoughts are. Right, I'm on Dartmoor at the moment, in the middle of nowhere. And I'm not filming tonight, but I brought my camera. But all night long I can hear this really weird noise. I don't know if this is going to pick it up. To me it sounds like a rutting stag. But I've never seen a deer on Dartmoor, let alone a stag. Let's see if you can hear anything. The wind doesn't help. It'll stop now, won't it? Just hear it then. Hear it? It's a long way away. It goes quiet for a while, then there's a little stint. I don't know if this will pick it up. It's been windy all evening, so I've not heard it. Now the wind has stopped. This seems to be quite constant. Can you hear it? I'll put the mic near the door. If there's long gaps of quiet, I'll cut it out. Do you hear that? Still doing it, but very quietly. I turned the camera off for a bit because it wasn't doing it, and then it started doing it again. No, it's not. Weirdly, it's stopped doing it now. Right, I'll switch off, see if anything happens. So what do you think? Rutting deer, werewolf, something else? Comment below, let me know what you think those noises were.